AI is killing this industry, and I'm not talking about IT. Welcome to day 23 of 100 Days of Sector Snippets. There's a sector called Electronics Manufacturing Services or EMS. EMS companies are basically those that assemble gadgets for big brands like Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi. They don't want to build their factories in India, they just come to the Indian EMS companies and say, build this phone for us. The biggest of these companies is Dixon Technologies, India's largest smartphone assembler. Dixon buys the parts, puts them together, and ships the phone back. Obviously, the phone sells as Motorola or Xiaomi. Dixon just earns a small fee for doing the work. Now, this company grew easily 90 to 120% every quarter. But the last quarter, this growth collapsed to just 2%. The stock has already corrected by 50%, which means something is very wrong in this sector. First, understand that the Indian smartphone market itself saw a degrowth of 7% last quarter. And the biggest reason is memory chips. See, every smartphone has memory chips, the RAM and storage. And for a mid-range phone, say 15,000 to 20,000 rupees worth of phone, memory chips alone are 20 to 25% of the total cost of building that phone. And here's where it gets interesting. See, ever since there has been an explosion in the AI data centers globally, every big tech company is building massive servers to run AI. And these servers require enormous amounts of high-end memory chips. So chip makers like Samsung and Micron started looking at where the money was and they shifted their capacity to the AI grade memory chips. The result, less memory for phones, and that is why the prices of these chips have already risen 20 to 30% and are expected to keep rising till mid 2026. Think about what this means for Dixon. When memory prices shoot up, the cost of assembling a phone also shoots up. Obviously, some of the cost can be passed on to brands like Xiaomi and Motorola, but then Xiaomi and Motorola will have to increase the prices for the consumers, and that is what is already happening. Brands are hiking prices 10 to 15% for their phones. When phones get expensive, people buy less, brands order less phones from Dixon, lower volumes and squeezed margins. It's a full chain reaction. And by the way, India is especially vulnerable here. We import almost every memory chip we use, we have no local manufacturing, and yet we only make up less than 4% of the global memory demand. So when supply gets tight, the global suppliers can simply ignore us. And with the rupee depreciating, every imported chip is getting even more expensive for us. So is the EMS sector dead? Well, I would not say so. As an investor, you just need to be selective. Smartphone heavy assemblers like Dixon are the most exposed. The smarter bet is diversified EMS companies, the ones building industrial, auto, and defense products. Companies like Amber and Sirma SDS. So the AI boom is real, it's quietly making your phones expensive and is squeezing an entire manufacturing sector back home. Stay ahead of it and follow markets with Aditi.